everyone, I will give my opinion on the match between Indonesia and Bahrain. I think Indonesia played well. We know that the first match between Indonesia and Bahrain ended in a score 2-2. In my opinion, Indonesia could have won this match with a final score of 2-1, but in the end, Bahrain scored their second goal in the 99th minute, which was beyond the extra time granted by the referee. I saw on several social media platforms like Instagram that many Indonesian fans, including myself, were disappointed with the referee who officiated the Indonesia versus Bahrain match. I don't know why the referee didn't stop the clock when the extra time was up, and there were several moments where I felt the referee was unfair. In the end, I felt it was very unfortunate because Indonesia only got 1 point when they should have gotten 3 points. Then, in the second match at Gelora Bung Karno Stadium, Indonesia managed to beat Bahrain with a score of 1-0. I think Indonesia played well against Bahrain in the second match. I was happy to see Indonesia play well. Although Indonesia had less possession, Indonesia attacks were more efficient. Indonesia had 3 shots and target out of 7 attempts, while Bahrain only had 1 out of 7 attempts. This shows that Indonesia can maximize opportunities on the field. Also, the passing statistics show that Bahrain might have been more dominant on the field, but Indonesia was more effective in attack and their defense was also very good. It was clear that Bahrain struggled and Indonesia did not allow them to score. In my opinion, Indonesia's narrow victory showed that Indonesia has good mentality and tactics. I believe Indonesia gave their best against Bahrain, and I'm very proud of Indonesia's performance, which managed to draw and even win against a country with a higher FIFA ranking than Indonesia. This is a positive development for Indonesia moving forward. Thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dafal Bayhaki. I'm from Bina Sarana Informatics University, study program Informatics. I want to explain about present continuous. What is present continuous? The present continuous is a tense form used to describe activities that are being done or are happening at this moment or right now. Form of present continuous in positive sentence use subject plus to be plus verb ing plus complement. In negative sentence use subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing plus complement. In interrogative sentence use to be plus subject plus verb ing plus complement and question mark. The verb forms to be. If subject I, used to be am, I am. If subject you, we, they, used to be are, you are, we are, they are. If subject she, he, it, used to be is, she is, he is, it is. For examples, in positive sentence, I am studying English. We are watching anime. He is playing game. In negative sentence, I am not studying English. We are not watching anime. He is not playing game. In interrogative sentence, are you studying English? Are they watching anime? Adverb of time in present continuous. Number 1. At the time of speaking. Adverb of time when the conversation is taking place. Like now, right now, at the moment, nowadays. And then, around the time of speaking. When the activity or action takes place around the time of the conversation. Like this week, this month, this year, this semester. Use of present continuous. Number 1. Things that are happening now. For example, I am reading a comic right now. Number 2. Temporary event. For example, I am studying a new language at the moment. Number 3. Talk the action around the time of speaking. For example, Arnold is spending a lot of his money this week. Number 4. A new pattern or habit. For example, these days, Dava is reading comics more than he used to. And last, future plans. For example, I am working on my English assignment to be submitted next week. When can the present continuous be used? Do not use the present continuous tense for all events that occur in the present that happen normally or over a long period of time and repeatedly. For example, I read comics every morning. That's incorrect. Verbs that cannot be conjugated with ing. Number 1. Verbs of thought are verbs that express a person's opinion or thought, such as appreciate, recognize, agree, believe, expect, remember, know, forget, see, suppose, and understand. For example, I agreeing with your opinion. That's incorrect. I agree with your opinion. That's correct. Number 2, verbs of emotion. Verbs of emotion are verbs that express feelings and relate to a person's emotion, such as admire, fear, like, prefer, need, want, and wish. For example, I liking banana. That's incorrect. I like banana. That's correct. And last, verbs of possession. Verbs of possessions are verbs that express ownership, such as have or has, own, owe, and possess. For example, he is owning a house. That's incorrect. He owns a house. That's correct. That is explanation from me about present continuous. Thank you.